Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out lounges on the Egyptair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this menu icon down below, and then you should scroll down and tap on the lounges button. After that, you should select your airport, either by typing it into the search bar or selecting one from the list, and then click on the Find Lounges button down below. And here you are going to find all of the available lounges. By sliding to the right side, you can proceed and check out all of them. If you want to check out in more details, click on the Facilities button, and here you can see the facilities too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.